Welcome to Best Choice. The best Dopp Kit is probably one of the most essential travel companions for any man who values grooming on the go. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world, a well-chosen Dopp Kit keeps your toiletries organized, protected, and easily accessible. In this video, we'll dive into the world of Dopp Kits, exploring what makes a great one and helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. BAGSMART Men's Travel Toiletry Organizer. This BAGSMART toiletry bag comes in multiple sizes to meet your needs. The medium size is perfect for individuals, while the large size can hold toiletries for the whole family. It's designed to be versatile and convenient. Made with water-resistant material, this bag protects your items from splashes and spills. Inside, you'll find elastic straps and multiple pockets to keep everything organized and in place. It's easy to clean and maintain. The front pocket is waterproof, keeping wet and dry items separate. The back pocket features an elastic band and zippered pockets for even more organization. This design helps you keep everything tidy. The double zipper allows for easy access to your items. The hidden snap closure ensures everything stays secure and prevents snags. This feature adds to the bag's convenience and durability. This BAGSMART toiletry bag is ideal for both travel and home use. It combines a toiletry bag, shaving kit, and makeup bag into one. It's a convenient and practical solution for all your needs. What we like. This bag offers a large capacity, perfect for carrying all your essentials. Its water-resistant material protects your items from splashes and spills. If you're looking for a versatile and organized solution for your toiletries, this is a great choice. What people say. The quality is excellent, the material feels durable and water-resistant, and the zippers work smoothly. The multiple compartments make organizing super easy, and I especially like the inner mesh pockets that keep everything in place. Nice size. 3 different zippered compartments. Sleeves to help organize items. So far, zippers have held up nicely. Number 4. DDDND Wanderlust Travel Toiletry Bag. Tired of digging through a messy bag? This organizer is designed to keep everything in its place. It has multiple compartments to store all your toiletries. With 10 compartments, you can easily separate your items. This allows you to quickly find what you need, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're a man or a woman, this bag is perfect for your travel needs. It's designed to be versatile and accommodate a variety of items. Made with quality materials, this bag is built to last. It's also designed to be compact and easy to carry, making it ideal for any trip. This travel toiletry bag is a must-have for anyone who travels. It's the perfect solution for keeping your toiletries organized and accessible wherever you go. What we like. This toiletry bag features a convenient hanging design for easy access. It offers multiple compartments to keep your items organized. If you value easy access and organized storage while traveling, you should consider this one. What people say. It is durable, spacious and great for being able to break out items into numerous compartments. The bag is spacious, with multiple compartments and mesh pockets that keep everything organized and visible at a glance. The hanging hook is sturdy and allows me to hang the bag in bathrooms or closets, saving counter space. Number 3. ZEEMO Men's Dopp Kit, Water-Resistant, Double-Sided. This Dopp Kit is designed with ample space. It can easily accommodate full-size toiletries and keep everything organized with multiple pockets. The compartment is fully visible, so you can quickly find what you need. This design also prevents water from splashing inside. The kit features a double-sided, full-open design. You don't need to open the main compartment to search. Use the elastic bands and pockets to sort your items. The kit has sturdy double zippers for easy access to the contents. A magnetic closure secures the top flap of the main compartment. This kit is suitable for both daily use and long-term travel. It's big enough for multi-person travel and fits easily into a backpack or suitcase. What we like. This bag provides an extra-large capacity to accommodate all your toiletries. The fully see-through design allows you to easily find what you need. If you like a bag that offers both space and visibility, this is a great option. What people say. The ZEEMO toiletry bag features a stylish and sophisticated design that exudes quality and durability. It has multiple compartments and pockets, allowing me to neatly organize my toiletries and grooming essentials. The built-in hanging hook is a brilliant addition, allowing me to hang the bag in the bathroom and access my items easily without cluttering the countertop. Number 2. Rustic Town Leather Travel Toiletry Bag, Dark Brown. This toiletry bag is handcrafted from ethically sourced full-grain buffalo leather. It ages beautifully, developing a rich patina over time. The bag features dual compartments with waterproof lining. This design keeps your toiletries and makeup safe from spills and leaks, protecting your belongings. It has dual spacious compartments with interior pockets. This makes it easy to separate your essentials like razors, deodorant, shaving cream, or makeup. The bag is TSA-approved carry-on size and includes a sturdy leather side handle. This makes it easy to carry while traveling. It's a timeless gift choice for both men and women. They will appreciate its style, organization, and lasting quality. What we like. Crafted from full-grain leather, this bag offers both style and durability. The leak-proof lining ensures your belongings stay safe from spills. If you are looking for a high-quality, long-lasting toiletry bag, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Dopp Kit is well-made and the perfect size for travel. It has a great design with multiple compartments to keep everything organized. The kit is very functional and holds all my toiletries securely. Number 1. Leather Toiletry Bag, Travel Dopp Kit. This leather toiletry bag is designed for both men and women. It's made from high-quality materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel. The bag is the perfect size for carrying all your essential toiletries. It's compact enough to fit in your luggage, yet spacious enough to hold everything you need. Inside, you'll find multiple compartments and pockets to keep your items organized. This makes it easy to find what you need, when you need it. Whether you're a man or a woman, this bag is a great choice. It's versatile and stylish, making it a perfect gift for yourself or a loved one. The bag is also suitable for use in a bathroom or shower. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it stays in great condition for years to come. What we like. This bag features a classic design and is made from durable materials. It is versatile enough for various uses. If you like a simple yet effective bag for your toiletries, you should consider this one. What people say. Large compartment that will hold everything including a can of deodorant, brush, and bottle of shampoo. Small compartment on bottom for toothbrush. Paste and small bottles of hotel-sized toiletries with elastic bands to hold them in place. Metal feet to hold the bag off damp counters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.